Aloha, I'm Ty Over with Makena Landing Kayak Fishing Tournament 2022. It's on like Donkey Kong. October 22nd and 23rd. You guys can only pick one date. We're canceling out the women's division because they want to fish with everybody else. They don't want favoritism, so that's cool. So we're still going to have the KEIKI division. So there's 2 days to work with you guys' schedule. Whether or not you guys fishing with a kid or you guys just fishing with each other, you guys can only pick one day each, yeah? KEIKI fish free because we get them sponsored. Like every year, we don't like anybody catching sharks, rays, kahalas, stuff of that nature. That's not allowed to weigh in. Octopuses is okay. No Bixby motors this year. I'm trying to work out something next year, but no Bixby motors this year. We're going out for a fun tournament. Everybody look out for each other, be safe. We got safety boats out there. The weigh-in is gonna be at Makena Landing. We're gonna do it like old school style, pre-pandemic. Hope to see you guys there.
Ouch! Oh my god. No. It's as big as a coolie. Ah! Yee! Big one. It's fucking heavy. I wish it's not a shark, but there's head shakes. Yeah! Woo! Yeah. Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Yeah. Ulua. Wow! Big ass ulua! Guys,
Nice. How many pounds do you think?
50?
Wow. Second place.
Ah! Woo! Yeah, brother! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Brother Kayak is on fire.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Oh, that's a big ulua. I still watching your video on Facebook. Oh, that's a huge one.
Wow! Oh my god!
That's a winner, I think.
Oh my god! Guys, I'm tired. Almost there. Whew. Turn this off.
Do you bring it out now?
That's not tap, maybe, I think.
Where's that? Those you guys?
Thinking about we're good. I got it on Facebook Live.
I heard from all the boys that was watching you.
Just go to Facebook Live.
All the boys was watching you fight him for over an hour.
Yeah.
But we gonna wait till
He's not
everybody
gonna wait.
comes.
He's not gonna wait it.
We go. You like put him in that big white cooler. Shoot, I think this one might beat the other one. I think so, honey girl. I'll put down. I don't want to swap two like that.
I got it on a cooler. I got only one bake.
Ah, you are my hammer. I wanted you to win so long. Hopefully you can hold. Yeah. Yeah, you ready? You got it on live?
Hold on.
No, she's alive.
Wow, what a nice fish, yeah.
Oh. Yeah!
What's the
She won beat him.
4.1.
Beast mode! Yes,
Here. Here.
Beautiful fish fighting for over an hour. I was listening to her on the radio, hoping that she landed this and it wasn't a shock. Hoping she didn't give up because it's tournament time. Thinking it was a shark and she wasting her time. Putting it up with the support of a Pino Kayak crew. Pulled out the fucking lead. This is the biggest fish of our tournament history in 13 years. Start off with his hammer. So proud of her. First place in the everyone division. Thank you for being a hammer. So all the girls out there and all the young kids, you can do that too, yeah? You can catch the big boys too. Have faith. Listen to your partners. Support your people when you're out there. Sometimes you want to give up when you're fighting a big fish. But you have your friends around you that support you. Have you give? Have you not cut the line? Support you. They're with you. I had that happen for me. And it's the make or break within you cutting the line or getting that fish. Thinking it's a shark like me, Leo. From my line, thinking it wasn't a shark. Okay? So, because she did what she did, He deserves this trophy. 100%. Steve makes these trophies, yeah. Steve makes these trophies. Yes, yeah. Sometimes you gotta be more man. You gotta be woman. Yes, again, she had a choice of her poles, and she chose this pole right here. They got finished and dropped off the night before the tournament started. Okay, that is a beautiful rod right there. It also comes with this gaff, made by the same person. It comes with a reel of her choice. Like, grab it, you get 5 hands. Call that big ulua. Okay, and then she has her shirt, her hats, her glasses, flask. I was gonna say what color, but orange it is. Again, thank you, Garrett and Jared DePaulo for hooking this up. Right down, boom. Oh, Kat, where you at?
Here.
Can I get that auto big money one? Woo. 2,000. Potentially, if not guaranteed, the best woman angler in Hawaii, or whoever knows where else. And guaranteed the best angler, period, of the day, of the year.
Of the year, yeah.
Thank you, Recille, and for all your friends that support her and help her through this. Mahalo you. Thank you. She still got to pick her shirt and hat, but that's okay. Woohoo! Yes, sir. All right. And if that's not a grand prize, I don't know what is. Yeah. All right. Oh, this is Ty over at Makena Landing Kayak Fishing Tournament. We got our second fish in of the day. This is day 1. So this is the second fish to beat. This is a nice 18.2 pound bull mahi caught by Brother Law. Yeah, he's one of our good donators. He's the reason why 4 other people are fishing the tournament, and he got blessed back with this in return. Number 2 to beat right here. Step it up. Tomorrow's another day. Okay. Aloha, it's day 2 of the Makena Landing Kayak Fishing Tournament. It's been a blast. We got a lot of great fish coming in, a lot of kids out there fishing. Tunas galore. We got tons of mahi, some big ulua coming in. Stay tuned. We got some stuff to weigh in. Come on. We got a handful of keikis out there ranging from 18, 16, all the way to 6 years old. And they're actually doing good. The youngest ones are beating all the big ones. Let's see what they got. How many of you guys caught one uku like that? I've caught a few. Only a couple that maybe can beat that. I want to give a big shout out and mahalo to all of my sponsors, from the biggest to the very smallest. We need you all. Mahalo for the unity in the community. Thank you guys.